Good morning, students. Welcome to your economics class. Students, today I will solve the numerical questions of chapter number 3, Theory of Demand. Okay, so the statement of first question is, given below is the market demand on the basis of two consumers. Some values are missing. Complete the table on the basis of given data. So students, so in this table, price of commodity is given. So price is 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. And there are two consumers, A and B. So in this table, the demand quantity demanded by two consumers is, so here some value of demand is missing. Quantity demanded by A and quantity demanded by B is missing. So the last column is of market demand. So market demand is 35, 60, 75 and this value is missing and 135. So the market demand is calculated by adding the demand quantity demanded by all consumers. So I will solve this question. So this is the table. Okay students. So in this table I will put the data. Price is 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. So here value is missing. Next is 20. Next value is missing. 45 and 60. So demand by B. First is at rupees 50 he demand 25. At rupees 50 the quantity demanded by B is missing. Next is 50, 55 and this value is missing. And the market demand is 35, 60, 75 missing and 135. So student, to calculate the demand, market demand, the formula is D1 plus D2. So demand by A is D1 and demand by B is D2. So by using this formula, I will calculate the missing values. Okay student. So students, with the given values, we will calculate the missing values by putting the formula, that is market demand is equal to demand by A plus demand by B. So first of all we find the missing value, missing quantity demanded by A. So here at first demand by A is missing, so we will calculate this with the use of demand by B, okay, and market demand. So by deducting 25 demanded by B from the market demand 35, the demand by A is 10. Okay, so the quantity demanded by A is 10. Next, okay, so at rupees 50 A demand 10, A's demand is 10. At rupees 40 A's demand is 20 and at rupees 30 the value is missing. So we will find the value, missing value, with the use of demand by B and the market demand. So by deducting 50 from 75, the demand by A is 25. So this is clear. This missing value is find out. Next is demand by B. So with the help of given value, demand by A and market demand, I will calculate the demand by B. So 60 minus 20, 40. Okay. So by shuffling the formula, market demand is equal to D1 demand by A plus demand by B, we can calculate the missing values. Okay. So next, at the last, quantity demanded by B is missing here. So we can calculate this by using the demand by A and demand by market demand. So the market demand by A B is 75. Next, market demand. So the market demand at rupees 20 is missing. Okay, so we can calculate. So we will calculate the demand by adding D1 and D2. So market demand is 45 plus 55 is equal to 100. So this is numerical question number 1. So students, next question. Determine whether following is the case of extension in demand or increase in demand. Okay, so first of all, recall the meaning of extension in demand. So extension in demand is change in quantity demanded due to change in price and other factor remain constant. Increase in demand, change in quantity demanded due to change in other factor and price factor is constant. So in extension in demand, changes in price, it affect the demand of a commodity, but in increase in demand, price is constant. So first case is price is constant rupees 20, okay, and demand is 50. Next, price is constant rupees 20 and the demand of a commodity was increased, it is 25 kg. So in this case, in first case, price is constant but demand of a commodity increased due to other factor. So this case is related to increase in demand. And next is price is 50, demand of units 30. Price is 40, demand of unit is 35. So in this case, change in the demand of a commodity due to change in price. Here price decreased. Due to decrease in price, the quantity demanded of a commodity increased. Okay, so this change is due to change in price and other factor constant here. Okay, so this change is called as extension in demand curve. So first case is increase in demand when price is constant, changes in quantity demanded due to other factor, and second case is related to change in price and it leads to change in quantity demanded and other factor remain constant. So students, next question is question number 4. Given that demand function is 50 minus 3 px, px means price of commodity, and demand function is qx, qx means quantity of a x commodity. So construct demand schedule when prices are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 respectively. Okay, so by putting these different prices in place of px, okay, we will find the demand function means the quantity of a commodity, and after that we will construct the demand schedule. So solution of this sum. Question number 4. Okay students, so demand function means qx. So qx is the quantity of x commodity. So here we have to find out the quantity of x commodity by the formula of demand function, that is 50 minus 3 px. So in place of px we will put the different prices that are given in the question 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So by putting these different prices in place of px, we will find out the quantity of x commodity. So by putting the prices, okay, the quantity of x commodity is, in first, when the price is 50, the quantity is, so in place of px the value of price is 5. Okay, so here the quantity of x commodity is 35. In next, when the price is 4, so here in place of px, prices, the value of price is here, so it is 4. So the next quantity of x commodity is 38, and with the next price is 2, the quantity is 44, price is 1 and the quantity is 47. Okay students, so now we will construct the new demand schedule. Okay, we construct new demand schedule. So px is the price of x commodity and Qx is the quantity. So price is given in the question 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the quantity we find out by using the formula of demand function. So first, when the price is 5, the quantity is 35. When the price is 4, quantity is 38. When the price is 3, quantity of a commodity is 41. When the price is 2, quantity is 44. And when the price is 1, quantity is 47. So this is the new demand schedule. So students, next question is question number 5. Given below are the demand functions. Demand by A of X commodity 40 minus 0.9 px price of X commodity, and demand by B is 35 minus 1.3 px, that is price of X commodity. Okay, so here we will find out the market demand function. So market demand function is, so this is the solution of question number 5. Okay student, so market demand function is equal to demand function of A consumer plus demand function of B consumer, because market demand is equal to quantity demanded by A and quantity demanded by B, or it can be said that market demand is the total demand made by all consumers. Okay, so the market demand function is total demand to total demand function of all consumer. Okay, so here are two consumer, A and B. So market demand function is the total of demand function of A and demand function of B. Okay, so dx is the market demand function. Okay, so 40 minus 0.9 px plus 35 minus 1.3 px. Okay, so calculate the demand function. 40 plus 35 minus 0.9 px minus 1.3 px. So the new demand function is 75 minus 2.2 px. So this is the market demand. So this is the market demand function.